Okay, so welcome back again. What I want to be explaining to you now is how we can install Vue on our Kali. So as we all know the function of Vue, what Vue does is that anytime you want to be creating a type of malware that will still be able to bypass antivirus, so make use of Vue. And before we can use the Vue, first thing we need to do is to install the Vue. So how can we install the Vue? So if I open my browser on my Kali, open the browser and we'll hold on for the browser to come up. So we'll hold on for the browser to come up. So once the browser is up, you're just going to type Vue evasion and you hit enter key. So just going to type Vue evasion and we're going to hit enter key. So we allowed our website to come up. So once the website is up, we're going to see the command that we can use to install these particular tools. So if you come here, so let me just click on this Vue framework. So let me browse to this guy here. So we hold on for these guys to come up. So we're going to hold on a little bit for this website to come up. So what I want to get here is to get the command that we're going to be using to install these particular tools. So for example, let me go back to the next, let me go back. Okay, let me scroll up. Okay, if I click on this, I click on this. All right. So if you click on it, you're going to see the second option that says GitHub Vue Framework. So once you click on the second option, it's going to show you all the command you can be using to install that particular Vue. Okay, you can actually use this command to install the Vue. So let's go into our terminal. So once we open the terminal, we'll be using this command apt get update. The first thing we need to do is to update our Kali and we hit enter key. So the first thing you need to do is to update your machine. So the first thing you need to do is to update your machine. So hold on for this guy to finish the updates. The first thing you need to do is to update your Kali. So actually, the installation of this Vue here is going to take longer time. It's going to take more time. But don't panic. That's how it used to do wherever you want to install. That's how it is. So let's hold on for the updating process. So once you updated your Kali finish, the next thing you will be using here, the next command will be apt-get install Vue space -y. So this is the next command you'll be using to install the Vue. The first thing we do is to update our Kali. Anytime you are installing a new tools, you need to update your Kali first. So after you update your Kali, you're going to use this command apt-get install veil-y and you hit enter key for the veil to be installing. Okay, here now I've already installed veil. That's the reason why it's showing these particular things here. I've already installed veil. That's the reason why this guy is showing like this. So for example, if I want to remove this veil successfully, all right. So as you can see, that time that is showing me that veil is already installed. Okay, so I removed the veil now. I've already removed the veil. So if I use that command again, this is the command I use to remove the veil. apt remove veil evasion. So once I remove the veil, the next thing is I want to update the veil again. Once you use apt-get install veil space -y, you hit enter key. So this guy is going to be installing. So let's hold on for the veils to be installing. So if I type, there's a little issue. Let me try the command again and see what's going on. Okay. So once you use the command, the veil is going to be installing by using apt-get install veil. So the next thing is to type veil and we hit enter key. So once you type veil, you're going to type X, which is a silence, and you hit enter key. So this one going to be doing the last installation. So the first thing we do, we use apt-get update to update our Kali. Second command is a apt-get install veil -y to install the veil. Once we install the veil, the third thing we do is to type veil, hit enter key, and you're going to type S. So hold on for this guy to come up. I can actually write the command inside a notepad. So I'm going to bring up a notepad. So the first command we use, let me make the notepad come up. So the first thing we use is the apt-get updates. So this command here is to update your Kali. The next command is we use apt-get install veil. Install veil space -y. The next thing is to type veil. The next thing is to type X, which is the final installation. So this is the command that we use to install the veil. This is the command we use. So we hold on for this guy to finish. After that, we go to use the veil. So let's wait for the veil installation process. So let's hold on for the installation processes. So like what I explained to you, this is going to be taking longer time. That's the normal thing, but you need to come and wait for all the requirements to be installed. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this recording. Pause the recording. So after that, we are going to be starting another option. So the best thing is just to hold on for it to finish all the installation. So I'm going to hold on to complete all the installation process. So this guy will be installing wine. So going to be installing wine. You need to hold on for that as well. After that, it's still going to install Python. So you have a lot of dependency that this guy is going to be installing. So we need to hold on for it to finish the remaining installation. So what I explained to you is going to install Python. And we are going to be installing Python. So this is actually the last installation process. After this, you'll be able to use fail. This guy will set up, we're going to install Ruby as well. So we're going to install Ruby. So we have a lot of requirements that you have before you do. Okay. So all those things, sorry, so that was the reason why we installed it. It's taking longer time. All right. So once you sit down, we have successfully installed that particular tools. So here is the tools, which is Veil. Is successfully installed. These are you going to be looking like. So anytime you stop this Veil, and anytime you want to open this Veil, what you need to do is just type Veil and hit enter key, and the tool is going to be launched. So thank you. That's how you can install Veil locally.